it's Krista, and today we're here in my kitchen because I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I'm super excited to make this video because I love cooking and I love eating. So this video is like perfect because it allows me to do both. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you do and subscribe to my channel. I just want to preface this video with saying that I'm not vegan. Everything I eat is not healthy. My #1 goal is to make things that taste good and make my tummy happy. The only diet I'm on is the seafood diet, you know, so you seafood and then you eat it. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's just get into this video because I have yet to eat today and I'm freaking hungry. So for breakfast, I like to keep things super simple and easy. Usually I am getting ready to head out to work, so I want something that's going to be super quick but also really tasty. So the first thing that you're going to need is your favorite kind of bagel. Mine are these cinnamon swirl bagels by Thomas. You can get these at literally any grocery store. The next thing you're going to need is your favorite peanut butter. Yes, I do use the crunchy peanut butter. I prefer the crunchy. I know there is a fight going on about whether creamy or crunchy is better. Let me know what side you're on down in the comments below. I can do creamy too. Sometimes I prefer crunchy. I think crunchy just has a little extra, you know, a little extra pizzazz. And the last thing you're gonna need are some raspberries, or you can do like blueberries or blackberries or whatever type of berry you prefer. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is to toast your bagel. This is a crucial step. And then you need to take your peanut butter and spread it on to your toasted bagel. Now you want to spread the peanut butter on there while the bagel's still warm, so the peanut butter gets nice and, you know, like kind of gooey. And then you're just going to take your raspberries and you're going to put them on the bagel. I know it's mind-blowing. Look how delicious that is. Look at that. It's amazing. Okay guys, so it's lunchtime and I'm gonna be throwing it back to one of your childhood favorites, and that is the grilled cheese and tomato soup. Grilled cheese, I remember a time in my life when like I would eat a grilled cheese every single day because cheese, and then it just comes together and it's just so good. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this is whatever type of bread you love. I am using the Great White Organic White Bread by Simply Nature, and I get this at Aldi's, and I get like 99.9% of my groceries from Aldi's. And you need some spreadable butter. I have the Countryside Creamy Butter Olive Oil and Sea Salt version. Of course you're gonna need cheese. How much cheese you use is up to you. This is white American cheese. And then you're going to need your favorite tomato soup. Now, if you're fancy, you can make homemade tomato soup. I am not fancy, so I buy canned tomato soup. And again, this is by Simply Nature, and I picked it up at Aldi's. Okay, so this is the most crucial part of your grilled cheese. You're going to take your butter, you're going to spread it on one side of each slice of bread. Now don't just push the butter around with the knife. You need to spread the butter. This is a very, very delicate job. And if you don't do this right, your entire grilled cheese is just gonna be messed up, okay? Make sure you get the edges of the bread because you want to make sure those get all toasty too. You don't want to leave those out. Get the edges. Make sure you're spreading the butter. Alright, yeah, just do what I do. Now once you're done, you can put the first piece in the pan, and then you're going to put the cheese in there. Now you're going to want to stagger the cheese. Stagger it. Needs to be quality, people. Alright, put the top on, toast it until it is exactly this toasty. Exactly this toasty. Not more toasty than this. Never more toasty than this. Exactly this toasty, and you will have the perfect grilled cheese. Look at that. That's perfect, guys. Alright, so while I was doing that, I was heating up my tomato soup in a pot. And now look how delicious this looks. It's like steaming. It like took me 10 minutes, but it's delicious. Oh, look at that. That's good stuff right there, guys. That is good stuff. Alright guys, so it's dinner time. Okay, well it's not actually dinner time, it's like 3:45 in the afternoon, but for the sake of this YouTube video, it is dinner time, and I'm super excited because dinner is absolutely my favorite meal. I love coming home from work and just like thinking like, oh god, what delicious thing can I eat after this long freaking day at the office. We pretty much eat something different every single night for dinner just because I love cooking dinners. So sometimes we'll have like steak or spaghetti or like chicken, some type of chicken meal, I don't know. I love switching things up because dinner is absolutely my favorite meal ever. So today I'm going to be cooking stuffed peppers. I love stuffed peppers. I love making stuffed peppers because you can basically change them up every single time you cook them. So what you're going to need, at least for my version this time, my version changes every single time that I do this. You're gonna need some peppers. These ones are from Aldi's and they just come with 3, which is perfect because I can have one, Zach can have one, and then we can split the other one. You're also going to need some ground beef. We use the Simply Organic 100% grass-fed ground beef. I love shopping at Aldi's because they have like a Simply Organic version of so many things, and it's just slightly healthier for you. So just like the bread that I showed you earlier that was Simply Organic, we use Simply Organic ground beef, and there's also like Simply Organic like mac and cheese. So it's just slightly healthier. It doesn't have preservatives. Zach's all into, you know, not doing preservatives. I personally don't care, but it is slightly healthier and it costs about the same, so you might as well get it. Next thing you're gonna need is some corn. Frozen corn is better, canned corn is also fine, but I just got canned corn because that's what I can find. I'm going to put some broccoli in mine too, so I just have a head of broccoli right here. I have some green onions that we're gonna put in there, and then I also have one regular onion, but we're only going to use half of it. So to start this off, first I'm going to start defrosting the meat because that's going to take a little bit, and I'm going to start working on everything else. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is cut the tops off of the peppers that you're going to be using and scoop out the inside and like the little veins, and make sure you get all the seeds out. If you use a large spoon, it's super easy. Yeah, so just push all the other gunk to the side, but save the top. And then you're going to cut off like a fourth of an onion, a fourth-ish of an onion, and chop it up into little, you know, little cube-like pieces. Okay, I'm just getting rid of the bad part of the onion. But yeah, so chop it into little cube-like pieces. Don't chop off your finger. That is not what we want to do here. We don't want any fingers in our pepper. And then you're going to take a little bit of green onion and throw that in there as well. My measurements are all purely guessing, so do your best guess, I guess. But yeah, I just chop everything that I'm putting in there up into little bitty pieces. And while I was doing this, I was defrosting the beef that we're gonna go in there. So once the beef is almost done cooking, we're going to add in our onion and our broccoli and let that cook with the beef for a little bit. And we're also going to add in some other stuff, probably. Yeah, so we're gonna also add in some corn. I didn't have any frozen corn, but this corn will do. I think I added in about half a can. And then I'm just adding in some garlic. I think I added in like 2 cloves of garlic just for some flavor. Oh my god, I'm taking so long! Okay, yeah, add in the garlic. And then you're gonna wanna mix that all together and let it sit for like 5 more minutes on the low heat. Oh yeah, put your seasonings in. Do that. Put all the seasonings in. Put like 12 seasonings in there. And then you're gonna wanna scoop that mixture into your peppers, which you put in, I just used a little bread pan because it would hold the peppers better, but you can use any pan you like. And then I'm going to cover them. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm going to cover them and put them in the oven on 400 for like 10 minutes. You need to keep an eye on these because you don't really need to cook these for that long. But yeah, so roughly 400 for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to go and eat this now. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every single week, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at Krista Knight. I am super active on there. I love doing Instagram stories, posting photos, of course, because why else are you on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.